Hello and welcome to Anna and Jake Real Life English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake. Great to have you with us today.
Jake, can I tell you something funny? I almost didn't record today's episode
Oh no, why?
because I had to make a phone call and I kept thinking, I'll do it later.
The classic problem.
Exactly. I made a cup of tea, then I cleaned my desk, then I checked my messages. Anything to avoid the call.
That is very real life. And honestly, a lot of people feel that way.
Especially in English. Even if you know English, phone calls can feel fast and stressful.
So today we're making it easy. We're learning how to make appointments in English.
Simple English, real-life phrases, calm and friendly.
We'll cover appointments at the doctor, at the dentist, in an office, and also services like haircuts or repairs.
And we'll also practice what to say if you don't understand.
Perfect. Let's start with the most useful sentence.
Here it is. Hello, I'd like to make an appointment, please.
Very common, very polite.
You can also say, Hi, I need to book an appointment.
Or even simpler, Hi, can I make an appointment?
Great. Now, what happens next?
They usually ask a question like, What is the appointment for? Or, What do you need?
Here are some easy answers. It's for a checkup. It's for a consultation. I have a question about a problem.
If it's the dentist, you can say, It's for a dental checkup, or I have tooth pain.
If it's a haircut, I'd like to book a haircut. Do you have any appointments this week?
If it's a repair service, I need to book a repair appointment. My washing machine isn't working.
Nice. Now let's talk about time and dates, because that's where many learners get stuck.
Yes, they might ask, What day works for you? Or, When are you available?
You can answer like this. I'm available on Monday. I'm free on Tuesday morning. Any time after 3 p.m. works for me.
And if you are not free, sorry, I'm not available on Monday. I can't do mornings. I'm only free in the afternoon.
If you want to ask for options, use Do you have anything later this week? Do you have anything available tomorrow? What's your next available appointment?
That last one is very useful. What's your next available appointment?
Now let's do a short mini dialogue. Imagine Anna is calling a doctor's office.
Okay, I'll be the receptionist.
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment, please.
Of course. What is the appointment for?
It's for a checkup.
Okay. Are you available on Thursday?
Thursday works for me, in the afternoon if possible.
We have 3:30 p.m.
Perfect, thank you.
Great. Simple and realistic.
And if you don't understand the time, you can ask.
Yes. Say, Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Or, did you say 3:30?
Or, Could you say that more slowly, please?
These are lifesavers.
Another common thing is spelling. They might ask for your name.
And you can say, My name is Anna Miller. That's Miller.
If spelling feels hard, you can ask, How do you spell that?
Or you can say, Could you spell that, please?
Now, let's talk about confirmation. At the end, confirm the details.
Good idea. You can say, So that's Thursday at 3:30, right? Can you confirm the time, please?
And ask about location if needed. What's the address? Where are you located?
Now, real life problem. Sometimes you need to change the appointment.
Yes, this is very common.
Say, I need to reschedule my appointment.
Or, Can I change my appointment to another day?
If you need to cancel, I need to cancel my appointment. I'm sorry, I can't make it.
And you can add, Could I book a new time, please?
Let's do a second mini dialogue. This time, dentist appointment, and it's urgent.
Okay, I'm the receptionist again.
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment, please.
What is the appointment for?
I have tooth pain. It's quite painful.
Is it urgent?
Yes, it's urgent.
We can see you today at 5 p.m.
Thank you so much.
Great. Short, clear, and polite.
And one more situation, making an appointment in an office, maybe a visa office, job centre, or a meeting.
You can say, "Hello, I'd like to schedule an appointment."
Or I was hoping to book an appointment.
And if you need a specific person, "I'd like to make an appointment with Mr. Smith. Is he available next week?"
If you're not sure what to say, keep it simple. I need an appointment, please. What's the next available time?
Simple is powerful.
Yes, you don't need perfect English, you need calm, clear English.
And remember, it's okay to ask for help. Could you repeat that? Could you speak more slowly?
Jake, quick question before we go. Are you still avoiding phone calls?
A little bit.
Same, but now we have the words.
Exactly. Thanks for listening.
See you next time.
Bye.